The lengths they will go to not give you a 20% off coupon is astonishing. Hey guys, welcome back to the Struggleville YouTube channel. For this video, I want to show you the latest coupon from Harbor Freight. Yes, we have a 15% off everything. It says no exclusions, single-use coupon. We'll get more into more of that in a second here. So it says ends Sunday, February 27th, in store only. Single-use coupon, save 15% on any item purchased, valid in-store only, cannot be combined with any other discounts, promos, or coupons. Discount cannot be used with any of the following: Inside Track Club membership, extended service plan, gift card, open box, instant savings. Offer valid on in-stock items only, no rain checks. Harbor Freight Tools can modify or terminate any promotion at any time. Other restrictions may apply. Not valid on prior purchases, not transferable. Original coupon must be presented valid through February 27th. Now, the not valid on prior purchases thing, of course it is. You just return the old one and buy a new one if they want to give you static over the 15% discount. Now, here's the barcode. It says it's in-store only. You can go to this page, which I'll have linked down below, and show the cashier your phone, and they can scan the barcode off your phone. Now, the single-use portion, check out the last three digits here. You see this coupon is 508. Now, when I refresh the page, it is now number 351. So every time you load this page, you're getting a new barcode, so it should work. And it's going to be limited to one item, just like the 20%. It's so funny. Everyone's clamoring for the 20%, and they're like, oh, we'll give you these little coupons, and then we'll give you these coupons, and we'll give you those coupons. And they've come up with 50 different ways to not issue a 20% coupon, and now they've gone, we'll give you 15. Will 15 suffice? Will you stop bitching if we give 15? 20%! 20! What's that movie, Bad Santa, when they're sitting at the table and they're negotiating, and I'm going to use a bad word here, the midget loses big time and he's going against Bernie Mac? Who remembers Bad Santa? It's one of my favorite movies. But our plight for a 20% coupon reminds me of that scene, because the midget wants 50-50, and Bernie Mac wants to give him like 10 or whatever it is. So like 50, 10. 45, 10. 40, 10. It's exactly what it's like with Harbor Freight right now. Alright guys, there's a link down below if you want your 15% off. Again, you just refresh the page. Maybe a cashier, if they're being nice, would just let the same person do different transactions. Maybe you'll have to go back the next day or something, but it's good through the 27th, so pretty good amount of time, and it doesn't have any of the brand exclusions that we would normally have, like U.S. General, and well, they're showcasing all the ones that usually are excluded. Thanks for watching. Give the video a like, subscribe for a nice subscriber. I'll see you guys next time.